Today I'm gonna show you how to make a par or pair of tortillas. It's kind of like a quesadilla. You don't actually need cheese, but you can just do it with salsa. This time I'm gonna do it with cheese also. You're gonna need 2 tortillas. The flat griddle is ready. You're gonna flip them so the part where the cheese is gonna go, it's hot. And now we're gonna add the cheese. Salsa with as little liquid as possible. Now we're gonna cover it. We're gonna flip it over. Now it's ready, we're gonna give it a try. Look at that.